Here we have one of our 355 small block Chevrolets. We rate this one here at 330 horsepower. They're a very entry-level little Chevrolet. Nice combination for the guy that really doesn't want a lot of power, but maybe wants kind of a custom look, as you can well see. Still use good components. Got Dart cylinder heads on it. It's got a hydraulic roller camshaft, not a flat tappet, so real reliable. Idle's very, very smooth at 800. Plenty of vacuum to run everything. It's kind of the motor if you want to go on the big cruises and not worry about anything. It's got Eagle rotating assembly in it. So it's all good components. It's not a lot of horsepower. Put a quick fuel carburetor on it. It's got the MSD HEI Distributor. This customer went with a nice set of valve covers and naturally the March serpentine belt setup on it. It's going in a pickup truck here. We'll install it for the customer. Go ahead and button her back up here. Make some more pulls on it.